Exact factory fit finish. ISO standards MFG. Premium quality universal tree clip are a direct replacement for wheel well fender liner splash guards, bumper, engine radiator trim and shields, mud guards and other applications requiring a 1/4, 6.3 mm hole. Top reviews from the United States. I tried everything else, but these fit perfectly. I started hearing this awful noise as I was driving one day every time I went over a rise in the road or slowed quickly. I was dreading taking my car in for repair when, coming home one day, my daughter says something is hanging down under your car in the front. I looked to find the under shield had come loose. The clips had deteriorated away in several places. I thought if I could replace them with screws it would be permanently fixed, but nothing fit. So, I bought the replacement parts. They're still plastic, and will deteriorate, but I have plenty left from the package.